Si Barreto. Racing Jazz is started with the scheduler. Break quickly at start. Moving up down on the inside is Buenos Aires. Pradera Verde comes next, then next online now is Purple Heart. Heavenly Fields in between horses now is 1,000 years. And going along for the first turn, we have the scheduler by about a length. Right behind in second is Buenos Aires, then 8 lengths. Back in third comes Pradera Verde. Alongside fourth is 1,000 years. Purple Heart comes next, then down on the inside now is Heavenly Fields. Next online is si Barreto, while Princess still now racing in less. Inside the 3 Octavo we have the scheduler, this time by about 4 lengths. And in second is Buenos Aires, Pradera Verde. Heavenly Fields comes next. Last 400 meters of the race we have the scheduler by about 6 lengths now, followed by Buenos Aires, then comes Pradera Verde. Moving up down on the inside is Heavenly Fields. As they swing for home, we have the scheduler, this time by about 8 lengths, followed now by Heavenly Fields. And on the outside is Pradera Verde. Last 100 meters, we have the scheduler, followed by Pradera Verde. And finally, the program opener, the scheduler, Pradera Verde. Then comes number 6, Heavenly Fields. Si Barreto, Purple.
Yes, it's number 7, the scheduler, ang siyang ating unofficial